There again with Valleyscape. I like this spot because it's just so nice. It's such a nice background. It's near our office. It's 10 minutes away. We're not up here, but it's a nice little spot and it's quiet. So the question I was going to answer today is, should I advertise on Yelp? So in our area, Yelp is a big source of leads for contractors. However, what has happened in the last year is Yelp has actually removed a lot, in some cases 75-80% of reviews from existing listings. So we had one of our friends, he has a tinting business actually, and they removed about 80 of his reviews, all 5-star, and he had over 100. So took a hit to the business because then it makes him look like he's a newer business. Why did Yelp do this? Well, I did a little research and I found out that last year in 2018, Yelp was having some financial issues. And so they had a new CEO come in and he came up with some new programs apparently and some new ways to make money. And they may or may not be very moral, I don't know, but it seems as though they're really trying to nickel and dime companies. And if they don't get what they want, they seem to kind of punish you for it. So should you be on Yelp? Well, that's up to you. I would recommend it at least to a degree, and we have always paid them a little bit of money, and they call us all the time trying to get more money out of us, but I don't think it's worth it. I think Yelp is going to gradually fade into the background, and it's going to be taken over by other things, especially Google. Google has always been big, and it's just growing for lead source, and I think it's going to continue to be #1 as Yelp kind of fades. So I do think you should have some sort of presence on Yelp, and maybe even pay them a little bit of money just to make them treat you well. I often kind of unfortunately compare it to like a mob mentality. You pay them something just to keep them off your back. It sounds terrible, but that's just the way it is with them. But we have seen a huge amount of leads for our company come from Yelp. So I can't say too much bad because we have definitely benefited from it, and I do think you should have some presence on there. Just be aware that they're going to continually want more money from you, and they will continually hound you for it. So try to get in with a good deal if you can. We were able to negotiate a little bit better price than they were offering us for additional advertising, but they will nickel and dime you. If you're a verified contractor, they actually charge you monthly for that, just that little badge on your account for people to see, which seems ridiculous that it's $40 a month for them to verify your contractor's license. But again, it distinguishes you from others. So to me, it's worth it. But I definitely don't agree that it's a good way that they're going. They seem to be charging for every little thing. So I still think it's a good idea to be on Yelp, so I definitely encourage it, but just be careful. You're dealing with some tough people at Yelp, so just be ready for that. But focus most of your energy and money on Google. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.